Before I learn the secret I'll be sharing with you in this video today, I had a lot of screen outs and disqualification from Userlytics task, and it was quite painful and annoying. It is painful because Userlytics tasks are majorly invitation based. That means you will not just come to your dashboard and see surveys or tasks. You have to be invited into a task, and once you are screened out, that is it. You will not reapply. You cannot reapply that particular task. Leave your dashboard. And painfully from experience, and I got to know what actually work. And from that moment, I began to crush any screener question. Sometimes in a day, I get up to like 5 invitation, and I can tell you categorically that among that 5, if at all, I'm going to qualify for 3 or 4 of them. And that is the secrets I'll be sharing with you in this video. You know, in this channel, I go deep into revealing things to you, not hiding anything from you. That is because I want you to have the best information, so that when you approach this platform to make money for yourself, you will be properly informed. And sometimes it affects how our videos are, because sometimes the video can be long, but it's for your good and for you to know that we are doing our best as much as possible to be as detailed as possible, not to keep anything from you or to rush through a video or a process. All right, so this is like a step-by-step guide. All right, but before that, support us by subscribing to this channel, give the video a thumbs up, like the video, and drop a comment. Not just questions, but drop comments, maybe appreciation on or anything. All right, and I really appreciate all your support all along the way for our subscribers. And if you're just meeting us for the first time, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video.
Okay, so I didn't start this on time, so I'm just going to do it now. So I'm taking another test, and from my dashboard there, you can see that it's about scratch card, right? And it's a quick survey, €3, 15 minutes, 2 minutes. You can use any device. You can see phone, tab, smartphone. It's a survey. So I think it's going to be typed. So once you click on the start button, that's where you're going to come to this page, all right? So they asked me the first question, things that I do online, that I use smartphone phone, and I literally picked everything because apparently I do gaming, I do shopping, all of those online. So I picked all of that. Okay. So now this is the next screen that you are seeing. So let me expand this. And they're asking what type of online gaming or gambling activities do you participate in? Guys, we need the money, right? So I click on scratch card because from here you can see that it's scratch cards, right? So I'm going to click scratch cards. I'm going to also pick sports betting. Sometimes I like doing it so that I can share my view and if possible for them to reduce. But most time this is about website and they want you to keep their website, all right? They want you to help them to keep their website, okay? So now I'm going to click bingo. I'm going to also click casino lottery. Apparently you can pick everything, all right? So let me just add lottery. So I'm going to click next. So you're going to wait for it to load up. Okay, and let's click next again. Sorry for the noise. I'm running on generator, so pretty much having noise there. So that's why I'm talking about my voice. All right. So how often do you play digital scratch card online? I play daily. So you want to be within weekly and daily, but I advise you to go for daily. All right. So I want to click daily. Right. I'm going to click next. I'm going to qualify for this survey for sure. Yes, that is it. I thought I'm going to qualify, but I've already seen that I'm going to qualify for it. I'm going to click next now. Okay, so they want to record my screen and see me do the typing from my screen. It's opening up now. Okay, so you said you have invited to participate in the survey before you start. Okay, just click next. Yeah, look at it. Do not close this tab. Don't ever close the tab. Okay. So we are exploring ways to purchase, ways There are exploring ways to make purchasing digital scratch cards smoother and more enjoyable for you. Your feedback will help us to understand your buying habits and preference, allowing us to enhance your experience. Please give your thoughts to the question asked below. Do your best to answer them informatively. So you want to click next. So guys, like I always say, um, how you present your answer matters a lot. Okay, how you present your answer matters a lot. So let me just do this one that I have at hand. So you can see, so thank you for your participation. Now you can close the tab. Now you can come over here, it's loading, I click complete text, and you're going to see that it is under review. All right. So once it's approved, you're going to see that here. It's going to ask for, you're going to see payment.
All right, so that will be all for this video. We had to skip some parts because what we wanted to show you was how to pass the screener question, which will get you into the survey properly. And once you are there, we believe you can be able to navigate your way around. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so now. Give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and until I see you again on our next video, continue Henny.